In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix Adobe After Effects .dll was not found or is missing in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now, first of all, you need to navigate to your Google Chrome. So open it, and here at the search bar, please type for Visual C++ Redistributable Runtime. The moment you've typed it, hit the enter key in your keyboard, and in that way you'll be able to see a list of results. So please proceed to the first one under learn.microsoft.com, which is the official website for this one. Click on this link, contains the Microsoft Visual C++ for distributable downloads. Okay. So the moment you've clicked on it, you would be navigated to this new page where you can see this Microsoft Visual C++. So the case is we need to download this application or program because the reason why you face an error is that you haven't downloaded this one or you haven't installed this one and it's missing in your computer. So that's why the error occurs. So here you would be able to see a table, okay, where it contains the architecture, the link aligning to it, as well as the notes. Okay, so here you need to identify first the architecture or the system type rather, so that you would be able to know that the architecture that you have selected is compatible to your system type or the operating system. So how you can identify, here at the bottom search bar, please type for info. Once you've typed that, kindly wait until you would be able to see a best match, which is the system information. For here, you need to proceed to the right side and wait until you can get an option called Open to continue. Once it's here, directly click on it, and in a few seconds, you would be able to open this window where here it will refresh the system information. So once ready, please proceed directly to the system type. There you can identify the value of your system type. So it could be x64, x32, x86, ARM64 based PC. So mostly Windows 11 has x64 based PC. Okay. So once you have identified the system type, you need to close the window and proceed to the architecture that is compatible to your system type. Meaning, if you have x64 based PC, then proceed to the link aligning to it. Or if you have x86, then proceed to the second. And if you have ARM64, then proceed to the first. So once you have identified the architecture or the system type, you need to click on the link here. In my case, I have already downloaded and installed this application. Okay, you can see it is running here under the installed apps in my PC. Okay, and I'm not facing an error. But the reason why you face an error is that this program, as what I have said earlier, is missing in your Windows. So you need to download and install this Visual C++ or distributable. Okay, so once you have downloaded it, install it in your PC, and then try to run that specific application again, which is your Adobe, and I'm sure it will be working this time. Okay, so hopefully this video had helped you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.